And so the time is nigh. Day in Rio, midnight in Tokyo, breakfast in LA, tomorrow morning by the Tasman Sea, 5 o'clock in Paris and Zagreb. From the Andes to the Alps, from River Plate to the banks of the Seine, our planet unites around its ultimate game. Mbappe, Thuram, Mbappe! Messi kept going. It's Lionel.